Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making chocolate chips muffins using Amasi. Yep, we're doing Amasi again. As in my last blueberry muffins video, I'll be using the same batter, but instead of adding blueberries, I'll be adding chocolate chips. As you can see, I'm basically fast forwarding how I mix the batter to cater for those who haven't watched the blueberry muffin video. And please make sure to watch it, and don't forget to like, please, pretty please. One can wonder why I like using Amasi for baking. It is because it is super cheap. A 2-liter bowl will cost 23 rand, and I will not only bake, but I'll also eat meals with it for a week or more. Besides, it leaves my baking very moist, not as dry when I use fresh milk. Anyways, back to the batter. So here I'm just adding the chocolate chip. I added a cup of chocolate chips in my batter, and now I just fold it in so that it can be well incorporated and ready to be placed in a loaf tin. If you ran out of baking paper for your baking tin like I did, don't worry. You can use any spread such as bama or stock or even butter or oil, and a dust of flour on your tin. And as you can see, that's how I prepared my tin. Let me know in the comment section if I should make a video to illustrate how I prepared my tin. I'll do the video for you. Into the oven and back. Look at that. This looks so amazing and looks so appetizing. And yeah, it's time to do the cutting, and then we can serve. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you already subscribed, make sure to hit the notification bell so you won't miss when I post. And don't forget to like this video.